let's discuss essential health tests, dietary tips, and stress management for women over 50. 2 essential tests that every woman over 50 should consider, beyond the usual mammograms, pap smears, and colonoscopies. But that's not all. I'll also share some crucial dietary tips to keep your body and brain in top shape as you age. And we'll wrap up with the importance of managing stress and getting enough sleep. Let's dive in. First up, blood work. When we talk about blood work, we're looking at lipids and metabolic markers. This isn't just about a single number, like your cholesterol. It's about understanding the bigger picture. In a basic lipid panel, you'll see your total cholesterol, but also LDL. That's your low-density lipoprotein cholesterol. And HDL, your high-density cholesterol. These tell different stories about your health, and the ratios between them are key for preventing cardiovascular disease and stroke. Don't forget about triglycerides. High levels mean there's too much fat in your body, which can lead to inflammation, obesity, and even metabolic issues. It's so important to keep these within normal limits, and if you can, optimize them even better. Now, let's talk about metabolic markers. We all know glucose is crucial for metabolic health, but it's also vital for your brain. Your blood sugar, insulin, and hemoglobin A1C levels are markers you really want to keep an eye on. Why? Because many people are pre-diabetic or insulin resistant and don't even know it. This can affect your heart, your body, and yes, your brain. The good news is, with the right lifestyle adjustments, you can address, mitigate, and even reverse these risks. Second test I encourage is thorough cognitive testing. Even if you feel fine, it's important to have a strong baseline for your brain health. This way, your doctor can compare your current state to when you had no problems, making it easier to detect any changes early on. By getting cognitive testing done now, you're not just helping yourself, you're giving your doctor valuable information to help you in the future. It's a smart move to ensure you stay sharp and healthy as you age. Now, let's talk about diet. Once you cut out processed foods, things like trans fats, fast food, and packaged foods that don't come directly from nature, you're already doing wonders for your health. Processed foods are packed with chemicals, fillers, and emulsifiers that can be harmful to your metabolic, cardiovascular, and brain health. Studies show that people who regularly consume processed and fast foods have double the odds of developing dementia in later life compared to those who focus on a fresher, whole food diet. I understand that access to fresh, local, organic foods isn't always easy or affordable. It's important to remember that it's not about being perfect. It's about doing the best you can. Avoid fast food when possible, and if you do choose processed foods, opt for those that are minimally or moderately processed. The healthiest diets are rich in plant-based foods. Plants are truly medicine. All the vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients your body needs are found in plants. They support everything from your immune system to your brain. The Mediterranean diet is one of the most researched and healthiest diets in the world. And there's even a greener version that focuses even more on plant-based foods. You don't have to go vegan or vegetarian, but make sure your plate is filled with leafy greens and vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, and of course, fruit. Fruits are full of antioxidants that are crucial for health. And while grains are optional, vegetables and fruit should be staples in everyone's diet. Now, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: sleep and stress. Both are really important for your hormonal health, especially when it comes to menopause. There's a study that followed thousands of people from midlife onward. It showed that chronically high cortisol levels, cortisol being your stress hormone, are linked to memory changes. While memory declines in midlife for both men and women, brain shrinkage only affects women. This was really eye-opening. So, a stress reduction isn't just a nice to have. It should be part of everybody's medical workup. Exercise, for instance, is a fantastic way to fight stress and support your mood. And then there's meditation. Meditation has been underrated in medicine for a long time, but there's growing evidence that it has a positive effect on the brain. One technique I practice is called Kirtan Kriya. It's from Kundalini Yoga, and it only takes 12 minutes. You repeat the word Sadanama while doing finger tapping for 12 minutes. It's simple, and you can find guided sessions on Spotify or YouTube. Research has shown that this practice can improve blood flow to the brain, reduce cortisol levels, and support overall mood and stress levels in women. It's something anyone can do, and it seems to be really helpful. So if you're over 50, consider adding blood work, cognitive testing, and stress reduction techniques like meditation to your health routine. Combine that with a diet rich in whole plant-based foods, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier life. Remember, your health is your wealth, and making these small changes can have a big impact on your life.